Hi, Billy Jack here with Clear Digital. You can learn more about our solutions at getcleardigital.com. And here we're showing off our show software. This is our digital signage software that allows us to essentially integrate with other platforms like Canva, Google Slides, Poster My Wall, and we can take this content, push it out to our devices. And when it gets pushed out, then folks can interact with all of our technology and be able to go through any kind of digital signage you might want to show off on any interactive display or non-interactive displays. And with Clear Digital, if you maybe don't have our displays, you can actually add our Zen and upgrade your digital signage today, which also comes with the ability to integrate with third-party emergency notification companies like Centegix, Intrado, SingleWire, Raptor, Audio Enhancement, Alertus, Crassus Go, and things like that. So come check us out at cleardigital.com.